Assalamualaikum class. Good morning. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine. Class 3, it's your maths period. So open your maths book, Maths Wise. Unit 1 Review and Assess 1. Yes students, as you know that we have started our first unit, Unit 1 Review and Assess 1. Now students, open the book page number 3. Exercise 4. Yes students, yesterday we have did the exercise 3 and now today we will do the exercise 4. Arrange the following numbers first in ascending order and then in descending order. Yes students, you can see here the following numbers are written, which firstly we will adjust them in ascending order and then we will arrange them in descending order. Yes students, exercise 4, arrange the following numbers first in ascending order and then in descending order. Yes students, question number 1, you can see here 231, 61, 75, 7 and 94. Yes students, firstly we will arrange them in ascending order and then descending order. Ascending means we will start from the smaller value and then we will go up. Yes student, you can see here 7 is the smallest and then 61, then 75, 94 and 231. Yes, on descending order we start from the biggest value 231, 94, 75, 61 and then 7. In the next question 348, 475, 287, 711 and 128. Yes student, as you know that the smallest value in this number is 128 and then 287, 348, 475 and 711. In ascending order we start from the smallest value and then we will go up. Yes, now arrange these numbers in descending order. Yes students, we will start from the biggest value 711, 475, 348, 287 and then 128. Yes, in the next question you can see 594, 564, 524, 504, 554. Yes, firstly we will arrange them in descending order. We start from the smallest value 504 and then what will comes? Yes students, 524, then what will comes? 554 and then what will comes? 564 and then 594. Yes, in descending order 594 comes first and then 564, 554, 524 and then 504. Yes student, question number 4, 601, 609, 603, 606, 600. Yes, firstly we will arrange them in this ascending order. Ascending means we start from the smallest value. So students, you can see here the smallest number is 600, then 601 and then 603 and then 606 and then 609. Or descending order, yes, we start from the biggest value 609, 606, 603, 601 and 600. Yes, in the question number 5, 777, 887, 227, 337 and 997. Yes students, we start from the ascending order. Yes, in ascending order smallest value is 227, then 337 and then 777, then 887 and then 997. Or descending order 997, 887 and 777 and 337 and 227. Yes students, you will do these exercise on your notebooks, okay, on your neat notebooks, okay students, and do practice also on your rough register. Okay, bye, Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum class. Good morning. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine. Class 3, it's your maths period. So open your maths book, Maths Wise. Unit 1 Review and Assess 1. Yes students, as you know that we have started our first unit, Unit 1 Review and Assess 1. Yes students, now open the book page number 3. Page number 3, exercise 5. Add the following and then write the answer in words. Yes students, we will add them and then write the answer in words. Yes, you can see here the part number 1, 213 plus 34. Yes students, firstly we will add them and then write the answer in words. 213. Yes, we will start from the left side. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and then 2. So the answer is 247. So write down the answer in words. 247. Yes. Part number 2, 506 plus 111. Yes students, write down like this. 506 plus 111. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 670. Yes, write in words. Next question, 89 plus 600. So write down the biggest value in the above 600, then we will add it 89. Yes, 0 plus 9 is equal to 9, 0 plus 8 is equal to 8, and then 6. So the answer is 689. Next question, 450 plus 45. 450 plus 45, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, and then 4. 495 is the answer. Yes. Part number 5. Here are the 3-digit values 9 plus 44 plus 891. So yes, we will write the biggest value in the above 891, then 44, and then 9. Yes, firstly we will add them. 9 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 14. So 4 is write down above and write down below, and then 1 will be carry. Yes, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and then 4, 14. 4, the 1 will be carry, and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 944. Yes, in the next question also it's a 3-digit value. So we will write down the 130 above, then 23 plus 7. Yes, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 0 we will write down, and 1 will be carry. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and then 2, 6. Yes, write down, and then 1 will be come down. 160. Yes, in the next question, 921 plus 5. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 2, and 9. 926 is the answer. Yes, part number 8. 7 plus 109. So we will write down 109 above, and then we will add it 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 6, 1 above carry, 1, and then 1. 116 is the answer. In the next question, 45 plus 555. 555 we will write down above, and then 45. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 0, 1 upper carry, then 5 plus 1 6, and then 4 10. 0, 1 carry, then 5 1 6. 600. Yes. In the next question, here is also the 3-digit value. So write down the biggest value above, 734, and then 345, and then 321. Yes, students, 5 plus 4 9, then 1 10. 0 1 above carry, 4 3 7, then 1 8, and then 9 10. Yes, 0 1 above carry, and then 7 1 8, and then 9 10 11, and then 13 and 14. Yes, 14. 1400. So write down the answer in words, 1400. Yes, students, do this work on your neat notebooks, and also do the practice of this exercise on your rough register. Allah Hafiz.